Hi, I'm Jordan. Welcome to Castle Creek. Hannah's going to show you one of our floor plans. You're going to love it.
Thanks, Jordan. I'm already loving it. This 2-bed, 2-bath apartment features an open concept kitchen and living space and generously sized bedrooms on opposite wings. Let's get into it. Now we'll start here in the kitchen. I love how accessible this space is. So great for entertaining or spending time with others while you're doing your meal prep. And in here, you've got the classic white cabinetry, slate GE appliances, and this upper island great for pulling up some bar stools. And right off of here, you have your laundry room, which is included in every apartment. And this leads right out into your dining room and your living room, where you've got 9-foot tray ceilings, beautiful crown molding, and check out the natural light you get in here. Right beyond that door, you have a patio and an extra storage space. So helpful. Now here in the dining room, you have this generous space, so you have room for a large table and room to move about. And then you have this beautiful wainscoting that wraps around that adds such an elegant touch. This floor plan just works so well. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. Like I said, one of my favorite things about this floor plan is that the bedrooms are on opposite sides. It adds extra privacy, making the space not only good for families, but roommates too. Here in bedroom 1, it's so spacious yet cozy. Look at how much furniture you can fit in here. You have this massive window, a walk-in closet, an attached bathroom with a garden-style tub and vanity. And moving over to the other bedroom, you've got the same layout with a large window that brings in natural light and a spacious walk-in closet. The only exception is the bathroom is off the hall. And that's a quick look at our 2-bed, 2-bath. If you're looking to call Castle Creek your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.